Good evening, guys. Currently 9:20 p.m. As you can see, I've entered this long position right here on AVAX on the 1 minute time frame. We're converging at support. Hopefully, we get a push up. This is what I'm looking at. This is a trade on my paper account. Long in from the bounce of this blue line here. As you can see, support, 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 deviation, support, long push up. Um, Currently looking at this as a inverse head and shoulders. We've got the left shoulder, head, right shoulder, got the edge above, showing that we want to break higher. We got the fake out back below, making everyone thinking it's a fake out, and then now we should be getting the push up. Currently, I am in my trade here. You can see I'm up $127 on AVAX. This is my trade. 1 minute. You can see it's my entry point and my stop loss below the low. So, I mean, just have to wait and see what happens. But yeah, I'm aiming for this TP over here, which is the target from the head, from the middle, taken from the head, placed to the breakout point. But yeah, man, I mean, we could break down and I'll accept my loss as we are now. But until then, we chilling. I accept my loss. It's only a $300 stop loss, so it's all right. Yeah, I'll update you guys soon. Right, guys, as you can see, we currently got a breakout to the bottom side. Hopefully it's a fake out. Hopefully it turns into a fake out. You can start moving up now. If not, we're reversing and I'm getting stopped out. Stop loss is just there. So price is just deciding if it wants to break down or get a nice push up. But hopefully it goes up, eh? Hopefully. But I'll update you guys when I get stopped out or take a profit. And as you can see, guys, we had a nice little trend line liquidity sweep slash fake out to the bottom, and then we started getting the move up. We just need to break out of this area here. Once we break out, we're golden. Next target is these highs. But yeah, I'll update you guys soon, see what happens. Hopefully we get this push up. But yeah. And as you can see, guys, we finally got that push that we wanted. We got a nice little break above. Currently up 601 to 2 my trade. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens when we claim this high. I'm gonna set an alert. I'll update you guys in a sec. Currently getting that bounce off of the previous day value area low region in line with this trend line. Looks good for push. I think it's coming, to be honest. TP here, right here, TP. Let me put a line there. And name it TP, that might help in it. There we go. Catch you in a sec. Hey guys, as you can see, I am in my room. Currently 10:15 p.m. As you can see, it's dark outside. And I'm just floating a grand. I'm reading the Bible, about to go to bed. See how it goes, isn't it? See how it goes. Alright guys, I have a prediction on the 15-minute time frame on AVAX. I had a feeling I was too zoomed in on the 3 minutes, so I came to the 15-minute. As you can see, if we are forming this head and shoulders, and the market makers obviously, well, I've seen it happen before where they dump the price, stop everyone out right before the big move up. So that's my prediction. We get a move down, stop me out, stop everyone out under these lows, and then we get a nice move up to the TP. So no one is allowed to make money, is what they're basically doing. But that's my prediction. Let's see what happens. Good morning, guys. As you can see here, my prediction came to life. I should have really taken profit at 1 to 3, which were at the highs, but I wanted the TP of the head and shoulders. So we bounced around and then overnight got a massive drop, stopping me out, stopping most people out, I can imagine. All the retail traders trading this as a inverse head and shoulders, they put their stop losses under here, and then they get stopped out, and then we can literally get the move to full TP. I'm not happy that I got stopped out, but I'm happy that I predicted it. So now we just wait for the next trade, I guess. So just a quick summary, guys. This was last night's trade. Unfortunately, I was targeting this level here. I was basically meant to be targeting the 0.5, but I wanted to cut it short just to make sure I got the profits. However, that's a 1 to 6. If I had taken and listened to my rule of 1 to 3 or 1 to 4, you can see I would have got TP'd overnight and I would have woke up a happy person. But overnight, what I predicted happened. We got stop hunted. So on my account on here, I got my stop loss was here, and on my MT5, my stop loss was there. So as you can see, AVAX dropped down, stop hunted everyone, and went straight to TP. As you can see, it says TP there, and actually higher. So that would have been a, let's be conservative, a 1 to 7 at the 0.5 fib level. Unfortunately, the market makers don't like us and they don't like us making money. So they stop us out, stop us out before the real move happens. As you can see, full TP hit. And yeah, Bob's your uncle, mate. You have a good evening and catch me in the next vid.